Welcome back everybody to another video. As you guys have seen by the title and thumbnail, we have an exciting video for you today, and it's going to be kind of the cheapest mod that you can get that will make the biggest difference in my opinion. So let's get into it. We have stickers or emblems for the seats, the bucket seats in my S4. Here they are, so you can see how they come, and it is a two-part stick-on kind of a deal, and let's show you kind of where they'll go and how it'll look. You will see in the end how it'll look, but you can see that little kind of just blank space. It's almost weird how Audi didn't fill in that S emblem on the seat with one of these stickers, because these would look way better and it looks way more, I don't know, official, or just a lot better on the interior, because now you'll be able to see these stickers through the windshield. As you can see there, you can see the seats. So now these S logos will pop way better and they will show up. It's going to be kind of hard for me to film the install, pretty simple install. So I will go ahead and install them, and then I will show you guys the after result. All right guys, so we have finished the install. We'll give you a view from the front first, so you can see through the windshield there. It might be hard to see on camera, but you can see the two S badges now on the seats. And wow, does it ever make a big difference on the interior. Let's take a closer look at what they look like on the seats from the inside. As you guys can see here, wow, look at the difference that just badges and stickers make on the inside. It looks so much better, and how it should have came from factory in my opinion. Now you can see we have the S logos on both seats, and I really think this makes a huge difference on the interior, and I would have wished it came like this, honestly, with how nice these badges look. As you can see through the windshield again, the badges look amazing. It just adds that pop to the interior that I feel like it needed. So I'm glad I went with these stickers and badges. Looks so much better, and hopefully, you know, you guys agree. If you don't, everyone has their own taste. But in my opinion, I really think this really adds so much to the car. And also, if you guys did like the video, please drop a like. That will wrap it up. Just a short video on the cheapest mod that makes the biggest difference on the Audi S4. I have seen this on one other S4 and really liked how it looked, so I decided to put it on mine. And so far, no complaints at all. So yeah, drop a like if you guys enjoyed the video. Also comment down below what you think of these S badges now on the seats, and we will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.